Welcome to Touch Technology Review. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a brand new feature that's making its way into Adobe Photoshop called Generative Fill that's based on AI capabilities. It will fill out backgrounds and subjects and also allow you to augment your images with artificial intelligence generated content. So it's a really amazing brand new feature that's going to take your Photoshop game to a whole new level. It's currently available in the beta version of Photoshop and will make its way to the production release over the coming months. For this demonstration, I'm going to be working with a landscape image that I downloaded from a Google search. And as with all images that you download online, typically the resolution is not always that great. So the first thing I'm going to take advantage of using these new Adobe AI tools is found in the filter section. Scroll down until you get to the super zoom feature and turn the filter on. Download the filter and click on the zoom icon on the right hand side to increase the image size. I'm going to multiply it by 3 times. So that will take my image up from around 1000 pixels wide to 3000 pixels, which will appear much sharper when zooming in. Another common task for photographers, designers, and video editors is to get square images to fill out a wide screen aspect ratio. To do that, you can go to Image, Canvas Size, and change the width of the canvas while leaving the height the same, making sure that you leave the relative box unchecked to avoid the height scaling with the width during the transformation. Now I'm going to change the canvas from 3200 pixels wide to 6200 pixels. So now we have a super wide canvas, but as you can see, there are gaps on either side. In the previous version of Photoshop, you might have used the content aware fill feature, which could do the same job, but it would often be imperfect and require some patching and manipulation to fill in larger areas of content. So we're going to take advantage of the new Generative Fill, and to do that, all you need to do is to click on the Select Box tool in the toolbar on the left-hand side and draw a square around the left section of the canvas. Then hold down the Shift key and draw another square on the right-hand side. And in the floating toolbar below, click on Generative Fill. In the text box, enter your desired background. In this case, I want to fill in the sky and the ground to match the style of the photo on screen. So I'll simply type in the words, "Add more sky and ground." And in less than 30 seconds or so, the AI has generated the fill containing a seamless sky background and lower ground that looks as though the photograph was taken that way in the first place. If you're not already impressed, then wait till you see what comes next. Generative Fill can also be used to add completely new objects to your artwork using the same powerful AI feature. For example, I can draw a rectangle using the Select tool right here next to the tree, and then in the Generative Tool text box, enter the words giraffe. Allow a few moments for the Generative Fill to do its thing, and now we have a giraffe in our scene. Then on the right hand side, I'll draw yet another rectangle and click on Generative Fill once more, type in the word lion, and now we have 2 animals in the scene. And I could just keep on going at this point, another one in the sky for example, type in eagle, and the image just keeps getting better. If I zoom in a little, you can see how these images blend organically with the original background photograph, as the AI technology used in the process takes into consideration the lighting, mood, and color balance. So an amazing new feature available in Photoshop, currently in beta form, soon to be released in the full production version, taking advantage of AI to help you be more creative and take your image making to a whole new level. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.